Big Rock 6S on 4S. First pull of the trigger. I decided to do a run on 4S because, to be honest, I think I've only ever seen this thing run on 6S. I've seen a few videos online and pretty much everyone's running this thing on 6S right out the gate, but I wanted to see what the go is on 4S. No gear changes, no diff oil changes, no suspension changes. Well, I did alter the shock collars a little bit. So I raised the rear ones a tiny bit and lowered the front ones because the thing was pointing downwards a bit, and it's a complaint that a few other YouTube creators have mentioned as well. But aside from that, this is all stock, with the exception of my DX5C, because this comes with an SR315 receiver, I believe. And I'm not a big fan of that stock radio on a truck like this. I think I'm sticking to my guns. I think this should come with the DX3 and the AVC receiver. Now, something that a few people have complained about is the braking, certain braking that this has, and I think I just picked it up. I think I just noticed it. Could be wrong. I think I just picked it up a little bit. I did a bench test yesterday to see if it was doing it, because I've got the program card to update the ESC, but I was like, it doesn't look like it's doing it. So, but I was only on the bench. I wasn't running it. I didn't notice anything odd. We're going to know about it when we start jumping it. I'm going to wreck my beautiful body because of the ESC. I was actually going to change out the ESC completely, to be honest, because I've got a spare one, but I thought, you know what, let's just try. 4S power. Let me see if I can pick up any ESC breakages or whatever. See anything weird. It doesn't look like it's doing it. I think we're okay. Okay. First jump, not bad. Stock on 4S. Definitely use some gearing on 4S. You can feel the motor. Oh! You can feel the motor. Didn't wreck the body though. Bumper did its job. You can feel the motor peaking real easy, real quick. Right. Loves to have a kick up off the jump. We are still good. Notice I'm keeping it pinned. Got to keep that weight. I think it needs a heavier battery. Yeah. Oh, don't roll over. I don't want to wreck my body. All right. Let's go on the big one. This is where it gets interesting because, you know, I'm just sending $1,300 off a jump. It just feels weird. It's one thing when they send you the car, it's another when you pay for it yourself. It's like, oh. Oh. It seems like it jumps well enough. And so far I'm not getting any weirdness from the ESC. I thought I felt it before, but I don't know, maybe it's just paranoia. Oh, I didn't quite land that right. I'll tell you what though, the servo on this is just insane. This is probably going to go down as... At least it went over... Oh, first time upside down. At least it went over the pit on that occasion. But I'll tell you what, this servo is probably going to go down as one of the best ready to run servos. It's weird, right? Like Spectrum, for me anyway, they have some of the best plane radios, like air radios. The DX range was really good. The NX range is really nice. And even this Spectrum DX5C is actually really good as well. And really good value for money. But when it comes to their electronics, such as servos and ESCs and stuff like that, I mean... Oh! I thought I could front flip it then. Almost did. We're still good. Body's okay. We're all good. So yeah, they're you know, the Avion ESCs on some of their planes has actually been really nice. But the previous E-Flight stuff wasn't really all that great. But that's E-Flight, not Spectrum anyway. But yeah, when it comes to their servos, I've never been a fan. When I was working at the hobby shop at Metro, you know, we replaced so many under warranty on the ARRMA cars that it wasn't a joke anymore, you know what I mean? And it seems like this new servo that servos that they're putting in the 4S cars and now the 6S cars, it's like a whole different ballgame. Oh yes! Save that! Woo! Yes, all right. It's getting doughy. Like I don't know if it's the battery that's dying or the ESC that's getting hot or the motor that's getting hot. But I can feel this, like it's like the acceleration's gone really soft. Doesn't feel as energetic as it did before. I do wonder if it's the electronics just starting to get a bit hot. It's a heavy car, it's a heavy beast. Handling wise, it's not bad. I know a lot of people have complained about the tyres. I'm not sure the tyres are that terrible. I mean, could they be better? Yeah, maybe, sure, but I don't know if they're that bad. Oh no! The battery died just as I did that jump. No! The battery died on me at the very end and I completely wrecked the body. Look at that. One jump. God damn it, the battery died on me. So it was the battery. You muppet. Why did I do that? Oh, completely destroyed the back end of that body. That's unreal. One jump. Oh, so pissed. All right, that's it. Time for success.